How do we make Italian kale and white bean pasta in Afsan Farm's kitchen? This delightful pasta recipe combines the freshness of Italian kale, the heartiness of white beans, and the comforting flavor of pasta. It's a perfect balance of nutritious ingredients and delicious taste. Prepare to indulge in a wholesome and satisfying meal that will leave you wanting more. Eight ounces, 225 g, pasta, penne, fusilli, or your favorite shape. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 bunch Italian kale, stems removed and leaves chopped. 1 can, 15 ounces, 425 g, white beans, drained and rinsed. 1 cup vegetable broth, or water. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust according to your preference. Salt and black pepper to taste. Grated Parmesan cheese, optional, for serving. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add a generous pinch of salt, then add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta and set it aside. Sauté the garlic and onion. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and chopped onion, sautéing until fragrant and the onion becomes translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped kale leaves to the skillet and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until they wilt and become tender. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Incorporate the white beans. Add the drained and rinsed white beans to the skillet. Stir them gently to combine with the kale, garlic, and onion mixture. Pour the vegetable broth, or water, into the skillet, followed by the red pepper flakes. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Combine the pasta and sauce. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet, tossing gently to coat it evenly with the kale, white bean, and sauce mixture. If needed, you can add a splash of vegetable broth or pasta cooking water to moisten the dish. Transfer the pasta to serving plates or bowls. If desired, sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top. Serve it warm and enjoy. Feel free to experiment with additional seasonings such as dried oregano, basil, or lemon zest to enhance the flavors according to your preference. This pasta dish with Italian kale and white beans is a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy and flavorsome meal. The combination of nutritious ingredients and savory flavors will leave you satisfied and nourished. Prepare this recipe for a cozy dinner or to impress your friends and family with a delicious Italian-inspired meal. I appreciate you taking the time to watch.